Ready to master digital marketing and take your clinic to the next level? Whether you're a chiropractor, physical therapist, acupuncturist, or wellness practitioner, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Clinic Marketing Podcast, where we unlock the secrets to attracting more patients and growing your practice. From SEO and website design to social media strategies and the latest in AI, we bring you actionable tips to amplify your online presence, connect with your ideal audience, and outshine the competition. Tune in to stay ahead of the curve and outshine your competition.
Broken links, slow pages, outdated content. Your website could be full of little problems that are driving away website visitors. But don't worry, a quick spring cleaning can get your website running smoothly again. In today's episode, I'll walk you through 5 easy ways to refresh and optimize your website for better SEO and more conversions. Hey there, and welcome back to the Clinic Marketing Podcast. I'm your host, Darcy Sullivan from Propel Marketing and Design. Today, we're talking about something that every website owner, especially clinic owners, need to do regularly. Give your website a good old cleaning. Now, we all know that spring is the perfect time to declutter our homes, but what about our websites? When was the last time you gave your website a little love and attention? If it's been a while, don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple website spring cleaning checklist to improve your SEO, user experience, and overall website performance. This episode will be jam-packed with actionable, quick steps you can take right now. So grab a cup of coffee, take some notes, and let's dive in. The tools mentioned in this episode will be available along with a website spring cleaning list and other related sources on the episode webpage on propelyourcompany.com. Before making changes, the first step is to audit your website's current performance so you know what needs improvement. Here are a few tools you can use. Google Search Console. This will help you spot broken links, errors, and indexing issues. Google Analytics. This will help you look at what pages people are visiting the most on your website, your traffic sources, and how people are overall interacting with your website. Google Page Speed Insights. This will tell you if your site is loading too slowly, which can hurt your rankings and user experience. If your website takes forever to load, users will bounce before they even read what you offer. Quick action step. Run a site speed test and note any pages that need optimization. Next, let's talk about content. Does your homepage still reflect your services and brand message? Are your service pages clear and conversion focused? What about your blog? When was the last time you updated an old blog post? A few things to look for are outdated content. Now is the perfect time to update any old blog posts or pages that need a refresh or new information. Check your headlines. Are they engaging and optimized for search? This is extremely important when it comes to your blog post. You want to make sure that your titles, your headlines are really interesting. Have you added internal links? Connecting related pages and posts will help keep visitors exploring on your website longer. It also helps Google understand how the different pieces of information on your website relate to each other. Refreshing your content keeps your website relevant and helps boost SEO. A quick action step for this section is to pick 2 to 3 old blog posts and update them with fresh content. We have an episode that goes through exactly how to update old blog posts. Again, we'll include that in the show notes on the episode webpage. Now it's time to tackle some technical SEO housekeeping. Even if your content is great, technical issues can hold from performing its best. Here's what you want to check. You want to check your meta titles and descriptions. Are they clear, compelling, and keyword optimized? What about your images? Are your images optimized? Are your images properly sized and compressed and labeled appropriately? And what about broken links? You can use a free tool like Broken Link Checker to find and fix any 404 errors, meaning that you have links on your website that are linking to information that no longer exists. Sometimes these are links that are on your website that are going to different pages on your website, or it could be that you cited a source in a blog post and linked to that source, and that source is no longer in existence. So a quick action step here is to run a broken link check and fix any dead links. If you run a local clinic, which most people listening do, this next step is huge, and it doesn't take place on your website. It's to review your Google Business Profile listing. This is one of the most important factors for ranking in local searches. You want to give it a once over and make sure that your business information is accurate, that your name, address, and phone number are listed properly. And are you posting updates to Google Business Profile? If not, we've got a great resource that'll walk you through how to get started with that. What about recent reviews? Are you encouraging people and patients to leave reviews on your Google Business Profile listing? If not, now is the time to take action and request more reviews. Finally, let's talk about website design and user experience. Look at your website and ask yourself, is your navigation simple and easy to use? Are there too many menu items? If so, can you simplify it? Are the calls to action clear and easy to find? Is it easy for somebody to know exactly how to book an appointment with you? Or do they have to click the contact us page to then look for your number or fill out a form, and then that form goes to somebody that may or may not call that person back in order to book an appointment? We want to make it as easy as possible for people to take the action steps that you want on your website. A cluttered website confuses visitors and makes them leave. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for potential patients to find the information they need and to book an appointment. Quick action step here, ask a friend or colleague to visit your website and give honest feedback on usability. All right, let's do a quick recap of the 5 steps to spring clean your website. 1, audit your site's website performance. 2, refresh content on your website. 3, fix technical SEO issues. 4, boost your local SEO by giving your Google Business Profile listing a once-over. And 5, improve website navigation. Make it simple and user-friendly. I challenge you to take one small action today, whether it's uploading a new blog post, fixing broken links, or improving your site speed. If you need help optimizing your website, Propel Marketing and Design is here to help. Visit our website to learn more about our SEO-friendly website design and local SEO services. Our website is propelyourcompany.com. From there, you can also easily book a complimentary discovery call. And if this episode was helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe, leave a review, or share it with fellow clinic owners. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time on the Clinic Marketing Podcast.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Before you go, I've got something exciting to share. If you're ready to rank higher on Google and attract more patients, you're invited to a free workshop designed to help you dominate the first page of Google without spending a dime on ads. In this workshop, you'll learn proven SEO strategies to attract new patients, how to optimize your Google Business Profile for local search dominance, and the number one thing you can do today to boost your website performance in just 10 minutes. Plus, you'll receive a patient-centered SEO action plan, a free step-by-step guide to help you take action right away. Don't let your website fade into the background. Sign up now at propelyourcompany.com/learn. Again, that's propelyourcompany.com/learn. Spots are limited, so grab your seat today.